struggle with your concealer creasing under your eyes, I'm gonna help you out. The first mistake you might be making is applying foundation under your eyes. If you know you're gonna add concealer, then you don't have to apply foundation too. This is just gonna cause a buildup of too much product, which can cause more creasing. So always go around your under eyes when you're applying foundation. This goes hand in hand, but applying too much concealer. So instead, focus on the darkest areas. For me, it's here and here. This is where I tend to crease, so I'm not applying product there. I'm going to apply it like this. I'm tapping it into place to blend it out. With whatever is left on my sponge, I can go over that area. You see how both sides look really well covered? I've seen a lot of videos of people recommending you set your under eyes with a fluffy brush. I like this when I'm only using like an eye brightener, but when I set my concealer like this, I always get creasing. I just feel like it's not enough powder. I recommend using a powder puff. You want to pick up some product and then tap off the excess on the back of your hand. Right before applying the powder, make sure to blend out any creasing that you might have. This is my trick I've never seen anyone talk about. You see how naturally my eyes kind of already have some lines there? I'm going to smooth out this area by creating an ugly face. Whatever expression you have when setting your makeup is what's going to stay. By smoothing out my face when applying the powder, it's going to ensure that I have no creasing. You see how smooth that looks? Even from far away, you can see a huge difference. On this side, I have a lot of creasing and settling into my fine lines, while this side looks super smooth.